LR Dindera, you know. Situ zoitea nenda shaba zoitea Nokonyolera mutanda Ndebeni zaba Otenkansa nesibafe I didn't give them the shit, man. Let's give it to them now. Diamo baby, I need to do when they kinda lazy. Uchiro honyarusa fast and I became a daddy. At the age of 16, I was full of big dreams. Ndanda tuzandoba pufisi wa bupa one day. Ndanda tuzandogijima ngati bima nas range. I think life was a test and I didn't start it the way. Cause my parents baba none but you can teach every day. But I failed and I had to start getting paid. Small pay for hard labor, did this ish every day. One a day or all I'm sazinaya the same. I had to go to Jersey, I had to hustle for Posy. I was there for some years, Zakandandi Sapoti. Sazotwana wana genda ndisa sapoti. Now I'm all alone, no place called home. Nakoli wanga bosesi bati pesi cha Gucci. Now tina mudi, situ zoitea nenda shaba zoitea Ndokonyolera mutanda Ndebeni zaba Otenkansa nesibafe Ndebeni sibafe Ndakonyolera mutanda Ndebeni zaba Wanthira nindozvibona tongo lipfo budzwani ndatozvibona ndandokuputa skela ndapasa ndagonya University ndiyo gudera zvendalora ndasvika ndava focused ndakopasa nopass ndokhakerwa ngavutama nadzimpichi dzafast vangudisa kuchirwa mnati vangudisa nestrucks ndazichatenda ndazicapasa nepass I was there for a mission, loaded with reasons. Why did I feed on the wrong motivation? Namusindo Zuda Yomparera education. I'm struggling, try to see my way through the hustling. I'm remembering what they used to say in this austerity, and I'm still battling their addiction. Someone say, oh no, someone say